Good morning. Okay, Genesis Luna, good morning. Good morning, Aaron. Okay, good morning. Okay, how are you today? I hope that you are fine, yeah? Okay, so the weather is okay, yes? Because it's not hot, it's not cold. That's good, it's perfect. Yes, for example, yesterday, let me see, the day was too hot, yeah? But today is okay. So let's see, let me share with you, okay, our book, that is this one, yes? Okay, so let's see. On Monday, we didn't receive or didn't take the class, yes? Because the classmates went to the school, some classmates went to school and you work at home, yes? Okay, so let's see. But let's review. In that case, so we talk about past progressive and simple past, yes? So we check the difference between both and we develop different exercises. Yeah, so we check every situations, etc. Okay, good morning. Welcome to your class. So we discuss about the agree invention that is gonna, we discuss about post-it. Yes, okay. So nowadays we use post-it in different situations. Yes, when you write a little letter, when you write, let me see, an advice, etc. Yes, so this one is a useful invention in that part. So you develop with your guide or with a form, okay, you solve these questions, yes? You solve exercise B and also exercise C. Yes? Okay, I hope that. Okay, so let's see. Now let's analyze past progressive. In that case, we have, okay, the grammar presentation, and the past progressive describes things that were in progress at a specific time in the past, okay? For example, Arthur Fry was singing in a choir, okay? That's mean this action, okay, was developed in a specific time, that's meaning past, and in a specific situation in that case. Okay, good morning. I was studying psychology last semester. If we check in that part, okay, the specific time, this one is last semester. Yes, that's mean in a period of from 1 to 6 months. Yes, that this person, okay, was studying psychology. This one is the past progressive. Remember, when we, let me see, write the structure, or we say the structure of past progressive, we use the subject, okay? We use the past of the verb be, that in that case is was or were. And then you use a main verb plus ing. For example, I was working, you were working, yeah? You know that you use was with singular pronouns, that in that case is I, he, she, or it. And were with plural pronouns, you, we, and they, yes? Okay, so you have positive statements and you have negative statements. For example, when you say, I was not working, this one is the full form in negative. I wasn't working. This one is the full form, but in contract. I'm sorry, this one is the contracted form, but in negative. Yes? Okay, so let me see. We are only 12 students. Okay, so let's see. Write present in the chat, please, if I mention your name. Ari Rosales, Lucas Carvajal, Valentina Navas, Betsabe, Nicole Flores, ok, Aaron, Diego de León, ok, Abby, Kevin, Genesis Luna. Ok, excellent. Thank you. Okay. I have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, yes. Okay, excellent. This one is your attendance list. Yes? Okay. So let's see. Now let's continue. Okay, yes, no questions and short answer. Remember, when you answer yes, when you answer no, this one are short answers. And also, okay, you don't give information in that part. Yes, so maybe you say, yes, I was. Yes, you were. And that's all. Yeah, short answers. So we have, was I working? Yes, you are. Yes, you were in that case because it's in past. Yes. Okay, were you working? Okay, yes, I was in that part. Yeah, short answer. That's mean you don't give extra information in that part. Yeah. So let's see. Now let's continue. Information questions. Okay, so this one is different. Yeah, you use WH words, and in that case, it is necessary that you give a specific information. Yeah, that's mean extra information. Okay, who was, in that case, he studied. Maybe you answer, okay, with an informative answer. That's mean with extra information. You use the WH word, who, what, when, where, why, and how. Then you use the past of be. If this one is in singular, you use was, and if it is in plural, you use were. Then the subject, and then the verb in ing. Yes? Okay, in that case, we have studying, doing, researching, working, experimenting, feeling, etc. Yes? Okay, so let's see. And now we check the usage. Okay, so let's see. We are on page 296. Okay, use the past progressive to talk about an event in progress at a specific time in the past. In 2010, this one is a specific time. Why? Because you mentioned the year. I was working in a science lab. Maybe you say in 2020 and in 2021, okay, I was taking my classes, okay, through Zoom. Yes. Okay, so because this one is a reality, but it's in a specific time. Where you studied in the cafeteria at the lunch time. Okay, so we have a specific time, and in that case, it's at lunch time. No, I was studying in the library. Yes, so that's me. The past progressive we use when we talk about an event, an action, a situation that is in progress, but in a specific time. So that's mean you need to use time expressions, yes? Use information questions to ask about events in progress at a specific time in the past, yes? Why were the researchers working all night? A specific time, all night. What was Lucy wearing at the party? A specific time, okay, in that case, it's a place at a party. Maybe from 4 to say 6 p.m., etc. Yes. Who were you talking to this morning? Okay, a specific time in that part, this morning. Okay, so use the full negative forms when writing in class. Okay, the machine was not working. Okay, check this part. Use the full negative form when writing in class. So that's mean when you write a report, when you write exercises, okay, similar to the homework or the evidences that you send. So you write in full form, not in contracted form, yes? Use negative contractions in everyday speaking. I wasn't working yesterday afternoon, yeah? So that's mean you talk. Okay, in everyday speaking, it is possible to use the contracted form, yeah, but not the full form. It's depend, yeah. For all of us, it's better if we use the contractions when we speak, yeah. But you remember that in the written part, it's not possible, yes. So you use the full form. Okay, I think this part is clear. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Give me some time expressions that we can use in past. Okay, give me some examples of time expressions that we can use in past. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Genesis Luna, give me one example of time expression that is possible that we use with past progressive. So you have some examples here, yes? Okay, so let me check, let me underline. For example, when you say at lunchtime, yeah, this one is one time expression. What else? In 2010, all night, this morning, yesterday afternoon, yeah, all of these one are time expressions but in past. Yes, remember, we study past tense. Yes. Okay, no, another one. This one are only examples. Okay, so think about that. Let's see. Okay, Abby, can you give me one example of time expression in past? Okay, so let's see. For example, last month. Yes, this is one. Okay, hello, Saso. Yesterday, yes, it's another one. Last week, yes. Okay, 2 days ago. Okay. Last year, exactly. A month ago, yes. Last month, yes. Okay, all of this one are time expression in past. Excellent. So let's see, let's continue. Okay, grammar application. Now we solve these exercises, yes? Past progressive statements. Remember, we have affirmative and negative statements, yes? Complete the sentences with the past progressive form of the verb in parentheses. Okay, we have surf. I was surfing the web the other day, and I found out some interesting information about inventions. Yes, because we talk about, okay, past progressive, we use, okay, the verb be in past, could be was or were. It's depend of the subject, yeah? And the verb in ing. Okay, so let's check. In 1968, another scientist, Spencer Silver, okay, Abby, give me the answer here, was trying. Valentina Navas was trying, okay. So let's see, we were here, was trying. Yes, okay, was trying to make a strong glue, but he made a very good weak glue. Arthur Fry, a co-worker, put the glue on small pieces of paper and used the sticky papers at work. Soon, the other co-workers, okay, let's move this one. Okay, use. What is the correct word? The other co-worker. Let's check. The subject is singular or is plural? Co-workers. Okay, this one is plural. So that's mean we use. We're using, exactly. Okay. So let's go here. We're using. Yes. Okay. We're using. Thank you, Abby. Thank you, Saso. Okay. Thank you, Aaron. Exactly. We're using. Okay, so let's see. We're using the sticky papers too. The sticky papers became Post-its. In number 3, 1945, a scientist named Percy Spencer. Okay, Percy Spencer was experimenting. Yes, Saso. Yes, Abby. Okay, Aaron. Yes. And this is Luna. Yes, was experimenting. Exactly. So we write here the answer. Yes. Was experimenting. Yeah, remember, we add the ing and the correct verb in B. Was experimenting with microwave energy. He, okay, stand. Okay, Diego de Leon. Abby, thank you. Saso, thank you. Okay, was standing. Yes. Was standing. Okay. Was standing. Okay, too close to a machine. When it melted a peanut candy bar in his pocket, the machine became the first microwave oven. This one is interesting, yes. Okay, number 4, in 1930. Okay, Ruth Wakefield make. Okay, thank you, Diego. Thank you, Saso. Thank you, Aaron. Yes. Okay, was making. Thank you, Abby. Okay, thank you, Luna. Yes. Okay, was making, exactly. Okay, was making cookies for customers at her restaurant. She put small pieces of chocolate in the cookies and called them chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so Wakefield's customers. Okay. Sasso, yes, it's gonna be the answer. Okay. Let's see. Okay, where, because it's plural, we're asking, yes. Yes, Luna. Yes, Abby. Okay, we talk about customers. In that case, it's plural, yes? Two or more. So for that reason, we use where. Yes, we're asking her for the cookie recipe, and it is now on bag of chocolate chips. Okay, in 1853, George Crumb, a chef at a New York restaurant, Phil. Okay, what's feeling? Abby, Sasso says, what's feeling? Okay, yes, was feeling. Thank you, Aaron. Was feeling. Okay. So let's see. Was feeling unhappy with the customer. The customer, okay, refuse. Was. Yes, because we talk about only one. So we say was refusing. Yeah. Okay, was refusing to eat his potatoes because they were too thick. So Crumb cut the potatoes into thin slices and fry them, and they became the first potato chip. Okay, excellent. Thank you very much. So let me see. Okay, so that's good. Yes. Okay, remember, all of these one are inventions. Yeah, similar to post-its. Yes, in that case, we talk about post-its. We talk about, let me see, the microwave. Yeah, that was created by Percy Spencer. Yeah, according to the information says that, okay, this person closed a machine and inside, okay, he melted peanut candy bar, okay, or he has a peanut candy and he put inside of the microwave and this one out. Okay, yes, was function. For that reason, it's okay. Then in 1930, Ruth Wakefield, okay, create or invent in that part the chocolate chip cookies. And the last one is, okay, the last scientist is George Crumb. Okay, it's not a scientist, it's a chef, yes. And he created the potato chips, yes, that all of us like to eat, yeah. Okay, so let's see. I think it's clear this part, yeah, of past progressive is easy because we understand the present progressive, the past progressive is okay. The only thing is that you need to remember if you use was or were. Yeah, okay, so let's see, data for the real world. The past progressive is used most commonly with verbs of speaking and thinking, such as talk, think, say, wonder, and ask. What were you talking about at breakfast? Okay, and you express your ideas. Fry was thinking about bookmarks. Okay, he was wondering how to keep them inside his songbook. They were asking about the accident last night. Okay, that's mean this list of verbs are the verbs that we use in every time. Yeah, if it's possible. Okay, I was thinking about this one. Let me see. Let me see. You were asking about something. Yeah. Okay. Past progressive is also used with verbs that describe everyday actions. Yeah. For example, wake up, take a shower, take my classes, eat, okay, take my lunch, etc. And we have another verbs. For example, do, try, look, get, come, work, sit, walk, take, watch, read, make, drive, and wear. And we have different examples here. Silver was trying to invent a strong glue. He was working all day Thursday, so he missed class. Okay, we have a time expression here, all day Thursday. Were you watching TV at 8 o'clock last night? Another time expression, Ruth Wakefield was making cookies. Yes, so these one are the verbs that we use, okay, the majority of the time. So let's see, now page 298. Commonly used verbs. Write sentences with the commonly used verbs to describe what the people were doing at 7:15 p.m. yesterday evening. Okay, we have the first example. We have in parentheses the verb drive and the complement that is home from school. So we say, Jose was driving home from school. Yes. Okay, then we have number 2. Think about his children. Okay, Thomas, remember it's in past, it's not in present. Okay.
What?
Okay, Thomas was thinking. Yes. Okay, so you need to pay attention to this one, yes, because we are studying past. So we write the verb in past. Yes, was thinking about, okay, his children, exactly. Okay. Let me check if I can move. Yes. Okay, Thomas was thinking about his children. Yeah, okay. Number 3, Lorna watch TV. Okay. Thank you, Sasha. Okay, so let's see. Abby was watching TV. Okay, thank you, Luna. Okay, so let's see. Lorna was, okay, watching TV, period, at the end of the sentence, yes? Okay, so Lorna was watching TV, exactly. Okay, Gabby and Jim sit in a restaurant.
We're
Okay.
sitting in a restaurant.
Yes, okay, thank you. Where, see, okay, this verb, sitting, double T or only one T?
Double T.
Okay,
Double.
double T, okay, in a restaurant, exactly. Okay, remember the rules. If we have consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the last consonant, yeah? Okay, we're sitting in a restaurant, exactly. Yes, we use the same rule as in present progressive, okay? Because the verb is in ing, we use the same rules, yeah? Okay, we're sitting in a restaurant. Okay, excellent. So let me move this one. Okay, now from 5 to 8. Okay, Liz, try to park her car. Okay, Liz.
Was trying to park her car.
Yes, okay, thank you. Liz was trying to park her car, yeah? Do you know that this one is the most difficult thing when you learn to drive a car? Try to park the car. This one is a difficult situation. Yes. Okay, so let's see. Number 6. Kevin and Selena look at some photos.
We're looking at some photos.
Yes, okay, where? Because we talk about 2 people. Yeah, we're looking. We're looking at some photos. Yes. Okay. Period at the end of the sentence. Yes. Okay, Kevin and Selena were looking at some photos. Number 7, Peter worked at his computer. Okay, thank you. Okay, Peter was working at his computer. Yes, Peter was working, exactly. And the last one, Clara. Clara talked to a friend on the phone. Okay.
Was talking.
Yes, was talking. I write here, yes, because I don't have enough space there. Was talking, okay, to a friend on the phone. Yes, okay. So let's see, Clara was talking to a friend on the phone. Okay. Okay, was talking to a friend on the phone. Yes? Okay, that's good. Okay. Similar to this one is the activity that you develop on your homework. Yeah, so you have a picture and you need to write sentences according to the actions that the different people develop at the park. Yeah, so you write sentences using was to using were and the verb in ing. Yeah, for example, the girl was running on the park. Yeah, so this one is the possible. It's an example, yes? So you look at the picture and then you write different sentences. This one is the evidence that you sent today. Okay, so let's see. I think you finished. So let me clear this part. Yes. Okay, so let's see. We have this exercise. This one is next page. Okay, how many sentences do you need to write? Let me check. I think 10. I don't remember if I write the instruction in that part. Let me see. Okay, let me check the agenda. Okay, so let's see. Okay, check the picture and write 5 questions with the answers. Yes, so that's been 10, exactly. Okay, 5 interrogative sentences and 5 answers. Yes, exactly. So you check the picture, so you write the question and the answer. Yes, okay. So right now we check the questions. Okay, exercise 2.3. Yes, no questions and information questions. Okay, both are different, yeah? Okay, read Joe's schedule for yesterday, write questions about him, use the words in parentheses with the verbs in the past progressive. Okay, so is this one. 9 a.m. in class, take notes. 1:30, study English in the library. 12:30, have lunch at Chinese restaurant. 1:30, meet classmates at park to practice English. 3 p.m., work at computer store. 7 p.m., call mom about dad's birthday. 11 p.m., work on business project. Yes? Okay, so we have 2 examples here. The first one is what Joe do at 9 a.m. What was Joe doing at 9 a.m.? In that case, we use a WH word, that is what, yes, remember. Then we have the auxiliary, that in that case is the verb in past, then the subject, okay, then we have the verb in ing, and then the complement, yes. Okay, this one is an informative questions. But, okay, for example, if we have a yes, no question, we only use the auxiliary, that in that case is was. Was he eating lunch at 11:30? Okay, both are different. The first one is a WH question. That's been an informative question, so you use a WH word. Then this one is yes, no question. You don't use WH word. You only use the helping verb, that in that case is were, or was, or could be were. Yes? Okay, so let's see. Number 3, what he studied. What do you think is this one? What he studied.
What was he studying?
Okay, so let's see. Number 3, in that case, what was he studying? Yes. So this one is an informative question. So you use the WH word, what. Then you use the verb be in past, that in that case is was, what was, then the pronoun, that in that case, or the subject, that is he, and then the verb in ing, that is studying. Yes? Okay, what was he studying? This one is question number 3. Yes? Okay, number 4, his friends meet him at 12:30 p.m. for lunch. Okay, first one we identify if this one is a yes, no question or an informative question. What do you think is number 4? Okay, this one is yes, no question.
No question.
Yes, so that's mean first one we write the verb be, yes? In that case is where. Okay, then the subject, what is the subject?
His friends.
Okay, his friends. Yes. Then the verb in ing.
Meeting.
Okay, meeting. And then the complement. Yeah. Meeting him at 12. Okay, 30 p.m. for lunch. Yes. And don't forget the question mark. Yes, at the end. Okay. Were his friends meeting him at 12:30 p.m. for lunch? Yes. Okay. So that's good. Now, number 5. Yes, no question or informative question?
Yes, no question. Sorry, interactive.
Informative.
Informative.
Yes, informative question. Yes. So that's mean. What is the correct order? Okay, where?
Where
Yes.
his class was meeting him?
Yes. Where were his classmates? Because it's going to in plurals. Okay, the verb in ing, meeting him. Yes. Okay. And the question mark. Okay. Where were his classmates meeting him? Yes. It's similar to a tongue twister, yeah. Where were? Yeah. Where were his classmates meeting him? Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Number 6, informative or yes, no question?
Informative.
Informative. Okay. So what is the correct order?
What was he doing at 3 p.m.?
Okay. What was he doing at 3 p.m.? Yeah. What was he doing at 3 p.m.? Yes. Okay. Number 7. What he do at 7 p.m. Okay, if you see a WH word, that's mean this one is informative. Yes? Okay, what is the correct order?
What was he doing at 7 p.m.?
Yeah, it's the same at number 6. Yeah, the only thing is that change the hour. Okay, what? Okay, was he doing at, okay, 7 p.m. Yes? Okay, what was he doing at 7 p.m.? Okay, I give you some minutes for checking this part, yeah, for completing. Okay, 2 minutes, and then we continue with number 8 and number 9. Okay, excellent. Okay. So let's see, now number 8. Who he talked to last night?
Who was he talking to last night?
Yes, okay, who was he talking to last night? Yes. Okay, who was he talking to last night? Okay, and we have number 9. This one is just no question or informative.
Yes, no question.
There's no question.
Okay, so that's mean, what is the correct sentence?
Was he
Was he
working?
working on his project at 11 p.m.?
Yes. Okay, was he working on his project? Okay, at 11 p.m. Yes. Okay, was he working on his project at 11 p.m.? Okay. What was he studying? Okay. Were his friends meeting him at 12:30 p.m. for lunch? Where were his classmates meeting him? What was he doing at 3 p.m.? What was he doing at 7 p.m.? Who was he talking to last night? Was he working on his project at 11 p.m.? Okay, so let's see. Now we answered this question, but orally, yeah? Okay, what was Joe doing at 9 a.m.?
He
What
was in
was?
class.
Okay, he was. Okay, we use ing. He was taking notes in class. Yeah, we say this one. Yes, he was taking notes in class. Okay, was he eating lunch at 11:30? What is the answer? Was he eating lunch at 11:30? This one is a just no question. So you answer, yes, he was eating. If this one is affirmative, but in that case it's negative. So we answer, no.
No, he
He was
wasn't.
studying English.
Okay, no, he wasn't, exactly. Okay, what was he studying?
He was studying English.
Okay, he was studying English in the library, yes. Okay, were his friends meeting him at 12:30 for lunch? Yes or no?
Yes, he was.
Okay, yes, he was. Okay, where were his classmates meeting him?
They were meeting him at the park.
Okay, they were meeting him. Okay, at park, yes. Okay, so let's see, what was he doing at 3 p.m.?
He was working at a computer store.
Okay, he was working at computer store. Okay, what was he doing at 7 p.m.?
He was calling mom about Dad's birthday.
Okay, he was calling mom about that birthday. Okay, who was he talking to last night? Yes, mom, exactly. Okay, was he working on his project at 11 p.m.?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was, exactly. Okay, so let's see. If you check, it's depend of the question, you answer, yeah? If this one is yes, no question, so you answer yes, no. But if this one is informative question, so you give information and you use the same things. Yes, that's me. If we talk about past progressive, we use in the answer past progressive. Yes? Okay, excellent. So let's see. We solve these exercises and we practice. Yes? Okay. So now, this one is the next explanation, time clauses with past progressive and simple past. Okay, remember, we have different time clauses. One of this one could be in past, the other one could be in present. Let me check in future, but in that case, we study in past. Okay, a time clause tells when the main clause happened. Okay, we have the main clause and the time clause. The main clause in this example is, he called me on his cell phone. What is the time clause? While he was walking home yesterday. Okay, this one is the same sentence. What is the difference? That we have two clauses. The first one is the main and the other one is time. He called me on his cell phone while he was walking home yesterday. Yes? But in that case, we use two words, when or while, okay, plus an event in progress. When refers to a particular time or period that something was in progress. And while means at the same time or during the time, okay? So when we return to the next class, I'll explain more about this one, yes? Okay, thank you for participating. See you in 20 minutes, yes? Okay, bye-bye.